Hello, welcome to Texas Style Cuisine. I'm Chef Johnny, and today we're back inside my classroom making sausage. And what are we making today?
Sweet Italian sausage.
Sweet Italian. All right, the sweet Italian all pork sausage we're going to be doing for y'all today. Now to get started, we're going to start grinding up our pork. We're using our KitchenAid mixer with a grinding attachment. These KitchenAids are great. They got a lot of different attachments you can use. We're going to be doing that. The important thing to remember today is you don't shove down real hard. There's a worm gear that will pull your meat through. We're going to put that on about 4. Let's go ahead and turn that on, Christian. And we're going to get all this meat ground up real quick. Y'all ladies want to start putting it in there? And everything is cold, all right? Y'all gonna help? Don't even do all the work. Now, everything's cold. We've had our grinder in an ice bath, so it's cold. We have our catch pan sitting in an ice bath. It's cold. And this just came out of the fridge, so everything's real cold, and we want to keep it that way.
All of our meat is ground up, so now we're gonna add all our spices.
All right, so let's get that done. We're gonna move some things out of the way here. Let's get our bowl out. So we can move our grinder over. So let's move our grinder that way. Now we're going to get our meat inside of our mixer. Let's go, Christian. You just pick it up, Yeah, there you go. And we've got 10 pounds of meat here, so instead of doing it by hand, we're going to put it inside of our mixer. It works pretty handy getting that done. And then we'll get our seasonings in. I think we have some ice water in the refrigerator, right? You want to get the ice water for us? So now with our 10 pounds of pork, we're going to add in 2 cups of water, 16 ounces. Yeah, go ahead and pour that in. And we'll get in all of our spices. So what spices do we have up here we're going to put in? Alexis, you want to help us with that? And we're going to put in first is what do we have?
We have 1/4 of an ounce of paprika.
Okay, 1/4 of an ounce of paprika. Let's shake it in. There we go. Then we have 1 ounce of sugar. Okay. You can use dextrose if you wanted to, probably, in place of sugar. Or you can use brown sugar, powdered sugar. Some people use that. All right, next one.
And then this is an ounce of black pepper.
Ounce of black pepper. All right, here we go. What's this one?
Whole fennel seeds.
Whole fennel seeds, 1 ounce of that also, right?
Yes.
All right. Start mixing here a little bit. And our last item is our what?
Salt. We have 3 ounces of salt.
All right, 3 ounces of salt. So let's get that in there, and then we'll get this mixed well. If you wanted to, you can also dump all your spices into your water and pour them in with that. So we're going to get this mixed up, and then we will get back with you and show you how to stuff it. Now we have all of our meat mixed up, so we're going to get it back into our bowl, and then we'll load it in our stuffer. It's on. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to get the gut up onto the horn of the stuffer. Anybody want to do that, Mike? Just going to slide it on, and you rinse these guts out first. So you take them and you rinse the inside and out, because they've been soaking in a saltwater brine. Now our gut's up on our horn. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it, put a loop in it, and then put the tag in back through the loop. That way it doesn't slide out. And like always, I always poke a hole in the end of it. That lets our air out. Go. And we're going to come over the top. There you go. A little bit faster. About like that right there. And you want to fill these up fairly full, but not tight enough where they'll pop. And you always want to leave enough room to twist your sausages also. So fill this up. You want to kind of hold it so it doesn't get off too fast, right? You don't want it tight, but you want it full. Now we have our casing is stuffed full. So what we're going to do is I'm going to squeeze down this last little bit in here. Got a lot of air in that. I'm going to poke a hole in it. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to turn this into links. So I'm going to come through here and I'm just going to poke holes everywhere I see an air bubble. Let the air out. We're going to make about a 6-inch link for these sausages. So I just kind of use the width of my hand right here. That's about 6 inches, and we're going to use that for every link now. So here we go. I'm going to flip this one forward, then go to the next one, measure out my 6 inches, measure up, keep that kind of going for me. There's our 6 inches, and this one I'll twist backwards. Here we go. This is going to go back forwards again. Thanks for stopping by Texas Style Cuisine. We sure do appreciate it today. I tell you what, we actually lost a little footage, so you can tell we all look different right now. We filmed that back before Christmas, and we wanted to get this video out, so we're doing the ending now. So anyways, thanks for stopping by. If you enjoyed the video of these kids doing their Italian sausage, go down there and give them a thumbs up. We always do appreciate that. Remember to subscribe our channel, hit the notification bell, so every time we put out a new video, you'll get notified about it and you can come see what's going on over here on Texas Style Cuisine. So thanks a lot. Remember to share us with your friends and family. Share us on your social media, and we're going to see you down the road on Texas Style Cuisine.
Sitting by the wagon when the sun come up this morning, bacon, eggs, and coffee, biscuits, and beans. Cookie strikes the bell and he rings the world a warning. How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.